Once again, the Primorje region has been affected by an anticyclone, bringing heavy downpours that are affecting everyone. While Typhoon Canon didn't impact Vladivostok, this time the capital of Primorje is also facing flooding. A cyclone passing through the southern part of Primorsky Krai led to nearly half of the monthly average rainfall falling in just a few hours in Vladivostok. The consequences have been significant. Cars submerged, injuries among people, flooded stores, and reports of at least one bridge being destroyed.
Да вообще пофигу. Красавцы, вообще огонь просто. Я думаю, это чувака из Супры здесь ходящего в новостях это обгонит.
Народ вот на Фадейке на работу идет. Вот сейчас на автобус вон женщина собирается. У нее такси, кстати, вот второй женщина такси подъехала. Вот это вот парень. У него сегодня выходной.
City streets have become waterways, and even apparently shallow water can be dangerous. A man was swept off his feet by the current and thrown under the wheels of a car. Fortunately, bystanders rescued him. Around 70,000 residents were left without electricity due to the emergency power outage. Efforts are underway to restore power supply. Residents in low-lying areas have been advised to gather essential items and prepare for potential evacuation.